Need a clean, watermark-free listing photo in 10 seconds? I'll share you the one-click way I use in Pedra. Agencies, MLS, and photographers add watermarks to protect their work. If you own the rights to the image or have permission, you can remove them to publish across portals, social, and brochures. I'll show you now how to do it in one click with Pedra. So first, let's head to Pedra. Here we have both images with the watermarks that we just uploaded to Pedra. We're going to select them all and click on Edit with AI and then Remove Watermark. One click, and let's wait 10 seconds. And here we have the results. Clean images, no watermarks, and best part, you can add your own watermark with Pedra with different transparencies or sizes. And to finish it off, once you're happy with the result, you can click download in any format or size to share across portals and your media platforms. Using Pedra can be great to remove watermarks across a huge folder of pictures with watermarks from other agencies that you don't want. And you can also use Pedra to do some final touches like staging or remove any objects or add/create some videos. Okay. And that's it, one click, 10 seconds per image. If you're listing regularly, this saves hours every week. You can try Pedra free now at pedra.ai and start to clean your photos today.